You're welcome back. And for your information, if you are new to forex trading and you don't know where to start from, then this video is definitely for you. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can learn forex trading for free and start making money. So if that sounds like something you really want, then you definitely have to stay with me right here, because later in this video, I'm going to share with you one bonus point that will actually help you to double your profit in forex trading. Right, so I'm actually sharing this with you because it worked for me and it is definitely going to work for you as well. I discovered the popular website which actually teaches people almost everything you need to know about forex trading to become profitable. And this website is what I'm going to share with you today and help you step by step how you can use the website to become profitable. And the website is none other but the popular babypips.com. So for now, let me take you to my computer screen and show you how you can use this website step by step to become profitable. And remember, along the line, I'll share a bonus point with you that will help you double your profit in forex trading. So right now, let's go to my PC and let's see what we can do. Alright, so here we are on my computer screen. So when you come to this website, babypips.com, the first thing that you actually have to do is come to learn forex. Right, learn forex. So when you come to learn forex, you will see this option over here. Then you just tap on start learning. This is the school of pipsology, and it is going to teach you literally everything you need to know from zero to hero. So once you tap on learn, start learning, it will take you to this part. All right, so we have how to trade forex, and we have the quizzes that will actually help you to test your knowledge and see the things that you've learned, if you've actually understood them. Right, so the first thing that we have to focus on right now is the school of pipsology, which is actually the main course. So we go to start course. Once you tap on or you click on the start course, it will take you to this part. Now this is where it gets really interesting. Now if you want to track your progress and see how far you've gone in the courses, you can just sign in or register an account, create an account with them. Then you start tracking your progress. Good. So this is the first course out of the 11 one over here, and this is the preschool. And here, if you literally don't have any knowledge at all about forex trading, then you have to go through this whole course over here. So it will talk about what is forex trading, or what is forex, how do you trade forex, why, when can you trade forex, who trades forex, why trade forex, margin trading 101. That's understand how your margin account works. So I highly recommend you to go through these courses. Trust me, they are short courses that will help you. Go through this and move on to the next one. That is, if you are a complete beginner, you have to go through this preschool course. That is a preschool course you have to go through. Then you move to kindergarten, which is the second course out of the 11 courses over here. Right, so you learn the basics on how to choose a forex broker and analyze the currency markets. Myself, when it comes to using forex broker, I use deriv and exness. You actually find the links in this video description. Right, so in this course it talks about forex broker, the 3 types of analysis and types of charts. This you may not want to go through all of them, but for the knowledge sake, all right, you can go through them. Okay, then we come to the elementary. That's a beginner's guide to technical analysis. Trust me, this part you actually have to take it serious, because it talks about support and resistance levels in the market, and this is a very important aspect when it comes to trading the market. And it also talks about Japanese candlesticks. Trust me, the candlestick is what you see on the market, so you definitely have to learn about it and know how it works. Then Fibonacci, moving average, and popular chart indicators. Myself, I'll consider these first 2 as the main thing you need to learn over here. Then you can add Fibonacci knowledge to it. That is a plus. Like, I don't really use moving averages that much, so that is why this might not be my favorite part. Okay, I'll consider support and resistance, then Japanese candlestick and Fibonacci. Then when it comes to middle school, that is the fourth course. For the fourth course, so it talks about indicators much more than, and also some important chart pattern, right? For me, I will actually, I'll skip the oscillator and the momentum indicator stuff. I will actually skip it because I don't really use indicators that much, right? So I'll skip it. For me, I'll consider the chart pattern over here, and I may leave the rest. But just like I said earlier, for knowledge sake, you may want to add all this. I'm recommending the ones based on my personal experience. My experience might not necessarily kind of reflect yours, so the best thing for you to do over here is to actually go through all this. And when it comes to summer school, you can just ignore this. Okay, you can just ignore this. Then you go to high school. I mean, this is high school, and the first course over here can literally take your account from $1 to any amount that you can imagine, right? So this is it. Trading divergences. Divergence trading is an important thing in forex trading. You have to know, right? It doesn't work for everyone. That is the truth. Not everyone knows how to use it, and people take this divergence trading, they practice it, they run at a loss. Other people take it, they multiply their accounts in folds, right? So I'm just saying that it doesn't work for everyone, but it is a very important tool in forex trading. If you learn how to use this well, you will be happy. Like, you will just be happy always, because it is definitely going to change your trading game totally. So I highly recommend you spend time on trading divergence. You learn about it very much. Then you also learn about market environment, trading breakout and fake out, and of course fundamental analysis. For those who trade currency pairs, gold and stuff like that, you need fundamental analysis. Then currency crosses, multiple time frame analysis. Just so you know, this whole course over here, everything over here is very, very important to you if you want to become profitable in forex trading. So when it comes to high school, do not jump over any of the courses over here. The high school is a course you really don't want to miss. Okay, then we go to undergraduate freshman. Then we have market sentiment, trading news, carry trade. Okay, so I'll talk about the market sentiment and the trading news. These are the two most important aspects for me in this aspect. Okay, in this course, these are the two most important things that you definitely have to go through: the market sentiment, trading news. Then we go to undergraduate sophomore. Then over here, let me say, good. This is something that you need to know. So we say, learn how other asset classes like stocks, bonds, and commodities can affect the foreign exchange market. Now, the US dollar index, I really use this whenever I want to analyze the market. Let's say on a weekend, I want to analyze the currency pair market. I use the DSY, which is the dollar index, to find the trends and whatsoever I want to do with other currency pairs which are related to the US dollar. So this course is something you really want to learn before you proceed. Then you go to the undergraduate junior. Over here, yes, you need to learn all this, right? Developing your own trading plan. Which type of trader are you? Create your own trading system. Keeping a trading journal, which is very important over here, and how to use MetaTrader 4. Right, so over here, do not skip anything. Make sure you learn everything, right? Then we come to the undergraduate senior. Yes, you are almost graduating, so you are senior. Come to risk management. Guys, trust me over here. No matter the strategy that you use, if you have a poor risk management, forex trading can send you back to your village. You understand? It can send you back to your village if you don't have a proper risk management, right? So take your time, study this very well, understand it, and you are good to go. Then we come to the number one cause of death of forex traders. So you definitely want to go through all these things because it talks much more about how to develop the proper risk management skills and mindset so you can become part of the 90 so you don't become part of the 95% of new traders who ended up losing all their money. This is why I had a problem. I had a problem with risk management. That's how come I ended up blowing my account. So I got a CV over here when I came to this website. That's how come I'm recommending it. Now the last part is just the graduation. So the most common, yes, use the graduation. So the most common trading mistake new traders make: forex trading scams, personality quizzes, and graduation speech. So now to the bonus points that will actually help you double your profit in forex trading. Here is it. Now pay close attention over here. In today's world, it's actually full of distractions. So if you can focus, then you are already 90% ahead of the masses. Yes, that is it. There's distraction everywhere currently. Like social media is taking up, and no, if you can focus, then you're 90% ahead of the masses, because the masses cannot focus right now. So focus is now a superpower. If you can focus right now, you are 90% ahead of the masses. With that said, if you want to double your profits, pay close attention. If you want to double your profit in forex trading, you have to avoid distraction at all costs. Trust me, you have to avoid distraction at all costs and focus on your trading strategy. And do not be changing your strategy from like, you use this strategy today, use another one. No, it's not going to work. Do not change your strategy just because you run at a loss. No, focus on your strategy, refine what is not working within your strategy, discard it, and you are definitely going to win. All right, do not be distracted. You see this person using this strategy, you jump onto it. This person using this strategy, you hop onto it. No, that is not going to work. All right, so you have to focus on your trading strategy, refine it, and let it suit your trading style. Right, even with all this said, there's no way you are going to make money in a forex market if you don't have an account with a brokerage firm. Myself, I use exness and deriv. You're definitely going to find the links in the video description, right? So for synthetic indices, I use deriv, and the video showing up right here will help you on how to create your account step by step in deriv brokerage firm. And for currency pairs, I use exness, and the video showing up over here will show you step by step how to create an account with exness and start trading, right? So if you actually find this video helpful, then go ahead and smash that like button on the video right now, just to help the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe for more videos. And of course, I'm going to see you in the next one.